Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be about the upcoming Ricilar live stream giveaway, where I give away the Ricilar CR612 Dual Dash camera. It's a 4K front, 2K rear. It was originally scheduled to be on a live stream July 1st at 5 p.m. I have to move it to June 30th at 5 p.m. So the new deadline is going to be June 30th at 4 p.m. I'm working on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, so I don't want to wait until the 4th to do it. So with all that said, I will start the live stream at about 4:30, and well, I'll turn it on at 4:30, but I'll actually do the giveaway at 5 p.m. Before I go, I want to show you something. Here is my little buddy Tango. Fell off the balcony and broke his left arm in 2 places. He now has a plate and 5 screws, and he's a little trooper. Tomorrow's Monday. I take him in to have this taken off and have a new one put on. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. And hit the super thanks at the bottom underneath the video, and you can make a small donation towards my channel, and everything I get goes right back into my truck. And sorry about the 1 day early on the giveaway, but can't do it on the 1st, so I'm going to do it on June 30th. So see you in the next video. Have a good day, and bye.